It hits me suddenly that this is the last day we're going to be at the same school. 6 entire years of being in the same place every weekday are over. The 2 years we've been a couple at school, 2 years of eating lunch together, sitting in form, hiding in music rooms, IT rooms, PE changing rooms, 2 years of going home together, walking when it's sunny, getting the bus when it's cold, Nick drawing faces in the window condensation, me falling asleep on his shoulder. It's all over.